Now, thank you, Tono Mokono. In Sembebresi, ya bona na bi asum. Shenasuma ne kaka ne seba ku yiye. Ende onamana asawa she ne num. Ose obetuma case so. Ose thank you zero. Na obia wo bi sika me nyina partner blast. Ejaku Englishman has spoken English. And the Englishman is saying that the NPP is at risk. Now, you say NPP for thank you, Tor. Now, thank you, Tor no mokono. In Sembebresi, ya bona na bi asum. Ya shenasuma ne kaka ne seba ku yiye. And the onamana asawa she ne num. Yes. Anytime na bi no mo interview no TV so motie. Hello, hima. Asina na na si ocho bibi ensu bibi bako asawa she ne num. You gonna slap peprao. So ejimi kakra. Jimi abon slap. Ohu de onye. Oyima bibi ensu o. Mbo na Dr. Bawumia kede Agyapong okoyo okoyi. Okoyi kwasi ya hwe ne slap ma. Jimi de jimi abete. Now, bebre sisi mumia dwedwam. Mahmoud Bawumia kan se bi meka kire mo ha se party no. What they are doing now nyina ne say. Omo person tam party no by force. Na omo de Bawumia ba as flag bearer. Me I don't care. Nipa omo be yi ni se flag bearer. NPP Bawumia ba they'll drop to 24%. Agyapong cannot cross 24%. He will linger around 14% because mentally he's not stable. And between Bawumia and Kennedy, Obiani will be cross 24%. So I don't care who they elect as their flag bearer. At that point, I don't care. But then you say you party, they are sacrificing ya bri emojeni. Na nipa bi pesa omo dada nipa bi etieti omo fa ahodie so. Eno na ha me. Eno na metia na emebufu. Efisa me da ho ye NPP ni. Obi anum say me card bearer member of the NPP. Enti mint na ho e ma nipa kuo bi entietie nipa bi fa ahodie so ensa mu sika in the name say e was by force. Bawumia na ekobiem no konya 24%. No. And it's na de be metna me say as much as I don't like the NPP Amiami free mobile, you know, I am also not going to allow some people to use a small power they have to suppress a ebinum. And what I am seeing is Kennedy camp, you know, they are being suppressed by Omiamo and Miamukong. Even though they are all not going to cross the 24%, you know, they are also NPP muno air time. Kennedy 14, Bawumia 24 in 2028. That's where they are going to be. Now Bawumia can send me. Bawumia said Kufuor contested for the first time in 1996. The assembly when I bet you said Bawumia Jimmy, with all due respect, Obeka will be didn't pay for time Bawumia, Manisi Suminaso, by Kakrawum. Kufuor contested for the first time in 1996, securing 39%, more than 41%, 41.7% garnered. Many said he shouldn't contest again, but he stood in 2001. If we could cross 50% in 2000 after 39% in 1996, I believe we can cross 50% from 41.7% in 2028. PZ for Maminche Chirim Namo Mbodo Montebrofo. Yetubu for Sona Mubufu. More PZ Mubina Monum Red and Adu Munyai. The Bawumia Kenyan say, oh, 1996 J. Kufuor or in the first time of contest here. Or contest here and J. Kufuor 39%. And a man for car say, oh, J. Kufuor on your day, and come on and contest bium. And then so J. Kufuor Saba bium ever contest here 2000 and a 39 or move call a 50%. Into Samiba Umia 32.8, 38.2%. I am the first time. I didn't say most of the Miko Bioma, Minya Day, Minya 50%. Now remember, Mahmoud Bawumia was flag bearer for 8 years. Mahmoud Bawumia was vice president, technically president, for 8 years. Technically, Mahmoud Bawumia will lead the NPP for 16 years. J.A. Kufuor in 1996. Time of all contested first and second. Now Obiye Kufuor governance that. So people were thinking say Kufuor was smart. People were thinking say Kufuor was coming to do something extraordinary. And in 1996 when you know, people still thought to say he's smart. So let us give him a nod in 2000. Because At that point, no, na Ghana bia near nim se Kufuor beji Ghana sika koto gold atunu kom se 50 cents India ni beka. Na ye nim se Kufuor oba be si tiefi. Na ye nim se Kufuor ontumi pon sika jetia. Na ye nim se Kufuor ontumi nsi school ba ko na bra bom. Na ye nim se Kufuor a oba be di president no, Kufuor eye cocaine ena sebio obeji atena so. Na Ghana fo nim. Into Kufuor ba 1996. Na ye nim ye hu na binda. In 2000, we thought Kufuor was intelligent. And it's the majority of Ghanaians thought, say, let us do what? Let us test Kufuor in 2000. That is why you saw the number Kufuor got in 2000. Now, who Mahmoud Bawumia? 2012. 2012. You were around. 2008. You were around. 2012. You were around. 2016, you were around. 2024, you were around. In fact, 16 years of Sedar Mekano, 8 years, you were president. We saw your best. You delivered your best. All the incantations and the economic gymnastics, we saw everything that you put on the table. You led the economic management team for 8 years. The dollar moved from 3.8 to 16.2. Under your leadership, inflation jumped all the way to 56. It was you under your leadership. And the level of corruption, it was under your leadership. And a Bank of Ghana, a boka 60 billion. It was under your leadership. And the highest levels of unemployment. So we have seen you work before. We have seen you lead delegation to World Bank, IMF. We have seen you manage our economy for 16, technically 8 years. So why are you doing this comparison? Actually, will be a Jimmy and I'll be to know we are dada. Because J. Kufuor ni ehuna binder. What do you know? And the Oba Ghana politics mwa. Obi a we deep power chepa and the Ghana politics our NPP Oba Omia. Ugwa when opportunity to be a flag bearer twice and be a vice president twice. 16 years. You are still telling us to say, economic risk kid. Into this statement, don't make it anywhere again. Men yes, I statement, Ushia Abronye, chairman to me, Pentium 2, General Secretary, no, JFK. Any chairman now, so a busmo, say you share Sunogun won't to me Casano. Say me for na wish your manoki Casan some way channel. Nagana for by Jumba to say, and some question some way, and ye bibiao. You are a liar, you are a terrible liar. Your analogy does not make sense. The way you put things together does not really make sense. Because if you're telling me 1996, Kufuor Baye, and Kufuor 31, and at 2000, Kufuor Winnie, 97, Kufuor ni president that, near no vice president crowd. Near Nimyansa, that it's near use of Nyansa. And it's 2000, ya power no. It's also the different from Kufuor Kra. Because Kufuor, time about 1996, no. Sananko the vice president to pay and Ghana would have looked at him with a different eye. But so far no, near who Kufuor Krono because Wabo Krono were them. Near Nimsa Kufuor obedi hine no obedi president. Near Nimsa Kufuor Krono na no obebo near Hubi. And it's a man to me 2000. So you cannot make those head in comparison. You have been there for 16 years. God for oil yetia. Yanti kroma na no yire. Samira Bawumia. And kwasiade amoye na Ghana ha yehu. So shut up, my friend. Pe baby na fa otusi. Na pe once na biwe. Na Kenyan sa seminar ni pantie. Sa comedy concert way playing on the emotions of NPP for no. It is not going to go anywhere because we have matured. We are not in the past for you to come and do this comedy thing. And adebia no moye. Yes or ye to adebia moye he. Me busa mo say sisifia wen adebia nde omoye he. Yeah. En kwasi asem say how we be before almost start ma ko twanyo foforo amalo. Wo ndi omaye. There there almost bumbo because ye Jimmy ye refi. All say no we gina o ma ko twanyo foforo amano. Kufuor ba saa and okofa akoya eye one stand a pipe na na ko hu dan na samwa ya bo wudi ni afro satan na be man fa duan hye ne to da enti no hu de okasa se aponche onim de oka omuni nemu ane kufu ado bae the battery is the Lord akwa we su bae nkwahasam tisifia on sende enyom de ba sai no motie we know these people open concert politics mu concert now I'm just here review we are now when you hear still this can paluta o use here review popping to ano ofui abegina why say convoy ye hwe nsu ogunu so wakofa nyamnyo foforo de aba ni ejimenti ni asade weji se sia de wambo paluta yemba o ye die baomia paluta na ne pe me say eya jimi ka sha ne pe wahwe yi da wahwe yi yo sika sunsum ene ye wo ba akubi Kofi Abronye jimi ka sha ne pe baomia paluta na ne pe me say paluta ne pe oyi jimi wonu na mo sa abosoma ko tere ende ye bonya menwom na onum nyamenwom na wo yire masha G string nam Ghana pasra mon tumem tese ne ejimi ende na nyamenwom nti jese wonum nyansa etwam dadada nyamenwom etwam dadada na nyam na nse mudi asofo atem se asofo no mokobom pa ma joma hama no majimi no muni ma de fa nyamenwom ana mo boboda mo hu NPP for still paluta paluta or pop me baketo no enyum oni ma no and comment obo say to say for the puppet me say this for the puppet me man obo pe puppet fucking ebu am shawa was say betty for the puppet kitikiti baro ope the angel puppet won go tie the mama star mo na mo bodam still a pick it yenya a pick won go tie mama star now mo just hear refia de enter won mahama ka tell say you people have short memories you just say odi matem you just say short memories enwan. Bring Paluta back. Ken, we need you. Paluta lives matter. Now, now see this. I'm thank you, Tony. Here the AC. 2024 elections or election. Messias, I feel I'm about to jump. Me team said, I say, Ama ze koye papa ze koye mama ye boy se kasa sa onya ye gbemi na mutito mudi atam ka ho enwuma o se onya ye seke usha NPP fo a onya and I'm say enwum we na ne de pa baomia how can you baomia move from this beautiful song all the way to this song? How? How? Baumia, how can you move from popping Sisifia to Eyeko? What do you say, Jimmy? What do you say, Jimmy? And your renfin kwasasem na oyedi nyina ne anya den. Enti esi oye new Baumia. Ya bo osu. Begina TV so ne mbo osu. Na afi enwu say esi ya bo osu ye Kristo di. Na afi enye enwu say ye ne Kristofo nya beto ama wo. Begina TV so ne mbo osu. Because till now me won so about inkremofo anyum bia o campaign ase eden ye jai anyum wei na ye bebe tie die na wo ye how can we move from there how can we live to Sifia hey dabi anyum me to there me there paluta life matters wa bo wo dam still ye hia paluta mo nyi se refi mo bodam enya na jaba wudumi ye zero ejimifo we use a refi. Yeah, abegina your home mobile say ekura. Mummy and now the next in Jumuni Baumia Kasai or Sudane. The papa be a mania. onyaye seke first adwum ye nyina nim so onyaye seke MPP fo nko adu bebi atia onyaye me say hey MPP mo hwe ne o ade de show ye onyaye seke nkofo di atam ye ne ejim ye ne abenkuma. Now 2024 election, our own members attacked the party and the NDC played them back against us. Baumia boa. She. Mamika binchamo. You see, the Michael Kwe report, no, they deliberately made Baumia study the report. And part of the report, no trauma, no. And you see, the people who are handling Baumia, Gideon Boakumo, they are daft. Michael Kwe report, no. And strategically, share report him, and part nibi and Baumia baby almost thank you to no. The idea behind the thank you to is for Baumia to address the Michael Kwe report, no, the part that will make his part of the story better than anyone else. Enti omunya abuche no de man and the boys no everyday ye and say boss udru baby say I can we the men can, so that at the end of the day no it will look like Baumia is going on a thank you tour for the party, but indirectly, Baumia is cleaning his ass. It is a study Baumia statement or make you out on this one. You can see clearly say, we're reading reports, no, any actual points na mano, and what he's doing is say, Odru baby, not the ebeboa the campaign in the future, no, the ebeboa destabilize the opponent, Kennedy Agyapong, no, now wakoka. Now, Baumia said, the mom lose election e been in the say a year 2024 no a year NDC 4 me come ka ho NDC 4 AUZ omo party move for in some omo kan against you Baumia boa 99% of the voices NPP NDC 4 boy against the NDC in 2024 election 99% na Baumia statements. I have a whole 5 gig hard drive Baumia nkwan insem 5 gig. Myself and my team, we have a hard drive, 5 gig hard drive. Mahamudu Baumia nkwan sem. For Baumia to even turn around to tell you, say, now I want to ask, when you're born the voice, Canada Agyapong, then some saying okay. When Canada Agyapong, ne damne baya no okeka ne nsema, no one can say him say, nyansenim. He was just going on his own trail. Canada Agyapong started kind of bottom some the latter part of the elections. Canada Agyapong in some kind, you know, say a key impact against the NPP was just 3%. Canada Agyapong ne damu ba ye no, sanle socks ketreti ye no, and na okeka ne nsem. But majority of the videos from 2016, 2014, 2013, 2012. We went all the way back to 2010. Eme kopeke wo Mahamudu Baumia with statement. And the butcher Ghana for say, oh, you're true for. So how can you turn around today and tell Ghana for say the NDC used or party members statement, party members bang. Party member Ben Baumia betuma boni din say. Saasi mesiwe the statement no affect MPP campaign, but it is you. 99.9% of the statement Ghanaians, anyone say one kind of correct MPP nya party or some trouble. It was you, your statement. Atra would in opposition and in government. Into this statement clearly tells you, say, the guy is not ready to accept to say, oh, you're true for, and it is his mistakes. Or no, the mistakes, deliberate mistakes are out of greed. And then, of course, the party, the downfall. Canada Agyapong played a role in the destruction of the NPP. Nobody can say no. Canada Agyapong's role was about 30%. But Mahamudu Baumia played about 70%. But we crack a 80% of the destruction of the NPP government in losing the elections. In Nipa, now of course a problem, no. The same Machiavellian tactics. What cause a problem, no? What I don't know why we say when it cause a problem, no. Mahamudu Baumia and Kennedy. Baumia especially is about on the course about 70% of the problem. My MPP co-position. Because one, Mahamudu Baumia lied throughout from the day of joining MPP, everything there, and he's still lying. Mahamudu Baumia is still lying. So for Bawumia to even have that courage to stand before a Ghana for to tell us to say, I a candidate Agyapong mon some mo kai and a lose election. I was say NPP ni bia bufu. That statement or this statement we are talking about, it was directed to candidate Agyapong from Bawumia. But let's look at Bawumia and some Kennedy in some. Kennedy got more mad at the latter part of the elections, of the campaign. Bawumia should shut up. Now, when you listen to Bawumia, he is still not ready. He is still not willing to do what? To accept to say he played a major role in the defeat. Now listen to him. He's still blaming people.
All the studies are so far. The big issues are one, cost of living. Niema bo e kosoro ahochiri e bai. The kanu eye adia ye friend arrogance of power. Express yasu na eye ti. Yasu e ti ye tie asem. Party for country say yenye reshuffle. And yes, sir, 8 years, yanti. And yes, sir, party for country say yempe e-levy. E-levy no ebe hagi. The person yansa party for country say haircut no. Debt restructure, no DDEP. Say what in answer? Say, sad debt restructure, no. A bit hard because most of them are pensioners. And from a penny announced said there will be no haircut. Some of them. Ghana for you in ING. But a buyer, no, you pay a haircut. Also, share a buy. Yentua NAPCO biom na yentua afforestation for biom ketre so yentua na also share regions bebree said the general secretary kan ye votes no dudu no wo ho no ya nye juma bebree wo ho western region said the kan ye no ukojo mora uko evaluate uko mpo ho so many places, you are finding a problem. Market set, engineering, Shaban, yeah. So the problems, that is just Western region. Ocean, na NPP, na kotu abano, na nkabono, na enihopapa. And yes, sir, na Yakasa against each other. Na NDC airborne radio, TV towards the 2-3 weeks to the election. So now only campaign but playing our own language back to us. Etina ehia said ye campaign ye
Sir, if this is the first time Obi 8 eye Bawumia, Obeka say we or a constituency chairman and I say constituency beza. Because in some of our canon, this is something a constituency secretary eneka. Now the man you just heard was vice president for 8 years. He was in charge of the economic management team. 8 years. This man sat through every cabinet meeting. One cry. Where in Ghana for the 8 years, Obi who say Mahmoud Bawumia has spoken against high cost of living. For the 8 years he was president, technically. Did he ever mount one stage in his life as the vice president and head of economic management team, and also a co-chair of cabinet meeting? When Bawumia was in power for 8 years, did he ever speak against high cost of living? No. Did you ever hear Bawumia openly complained to the NPP, the whole nation, about arrogance. Arrogance of power. How arrogant they were in power. Did you ever hear Bawumia make that statement in any platform that he mounted for the 8 years? No. Reshuffling. This same person sat in cabinet for 8 years. He told us at a point that he wants to continue the legacy of Akufo-Addo. The legacy of Akufo-Addo was that, or is, Akufo-Addo ruled for 8 years and he never reshuffled. I didn't say I want to continue Akufo-Addo's legacy because that is a terrible legacy. But Mahamudu Bawumia, during elections, he said he was comfortable with the decisions Akufo-Addo had taken and that he was going to continue Akufo-Addo's legacy. Reshuffling that he did not do for 8 years is part of his legacy. Did he ever complain about that? No. But he said he wanted to do what? Continue this legacy. Mahamudu Bawumia talked about e-levy, cabinet for 8 years. When e-levy was passed, Bawumia never mounted one single stage in Ghana to say, I am against e-levy. He never did that. Every single day they met in cabinet to discuss the introduction of e-levy, Mahamudu Bawumia never came out officially, even through his spokesperson, to say he is against e-levy. Agyapong was heard on countless occasions on all media platforms telling the world and Ghana that Mahamudu Bawumia is in full support of e-levy because he is at cabinet and he supported the person of e-levy. Now, let's talk about DDEP. The burnout is about Bawumia stage because say domestic debt exchange program. He was against it. Nowhere in the history of being a Ghana vice president and the head of the economic management team, he never for a day spoke openly against DDEP. We are talking about togetherness. Mahamudu Bawumia basically is lying to himself. He is trying to create an impression that Nana Akufo-Addo's legacy, the people who were in that government are stupid and that he is the chosen one. And whatever happened in the Akufo-Addo administration for the past 8 years, he should not be blamed. I'm going to ask Bawumia a simple question. If all these things, you are not to be blamed, are you ever going to take credit for anything that happened in the 8 years in the Akufo-Addo administration? Because so far, you have not been able to applaud the Akufo-Addo administration, which you were a vice president on this your tour. You have not been able to applaud one single thing. So if everything that the Akufo-Addo administration did, everything that you saw was wrong, and as so are you ever going to tell us that we should give you credit for something during the Akufo-Addo tenure? Because the arrogance of power was the president and his people. You are not included from what you are telling us. DDEP, you are not included from what you are telling us. E-levy, you are not included from what you are telling us. You are telling us about reshuffling. You were not included. You are telling us about high cost of living. You didn't even know that there was high cost of living in Ghana because there was never a day that you mounted stage to tell us that people are really suffering and that the high cost of living could kill Ghanaians and could take the NPP to opposition. You never made that statement. So I'm asking Bawumia, are you going to mount stage again to tell us that we should give you credit for the same group of animals you are today telling us to despise? Because I want to know, for the 8 years that you were in power, were you working with some different group of people? If they are not different group of people you're working with, and it's the same people that you want to run on their legacy, whatever they did in 8 years, then you don't deserve to stand before a rational Ghanaian to tell that Ghanaian to vote for you. Now, you know the most despicable part of Bawumia's statement. He went all the way. He went as far to tell Ghana for say, as vice president, as a member of the cabinet, the person, the president in Bawumia chair cabinet, or catch the Ghana for say, ya to petromu na onim. This is what he said.
You see all the money communities very well. Now, 3 days to the election. 3 days to the election. Yet to petrol. Yet to petrol. And yes, sir. 3 days. Maybe see another can say, oh, one. This is how. Young, see our 3 days to the election. You go to petrol. Hey, you can say we and I say the same. Now, rather for a good food.
Mahmoud Bawumia. I say 3 days I got to Aba and na almost 2 petroleum onuna onim as the vice president who sits in cabinet. There was a data meeting NPP phobi. And an omoka I na Bawumia only 2 petroleum agencies on 2 petroleum Bawumia. Oh really? But petrol come from Bawumia to be catch say NPP abaya 2 petroleum amanako form kwasi afo. Uko tie conversation anytime I talk TikToker. Me call TikTok, me NPP for Jimmy Bruta. I was listening to them and Ojambi wo I na Bawumia send on 2 petroleum your agencies on 2 petroleum and so Bawumia to regional stage. No I catch say I and them go petrol akọ form Ekufuado ne Bawumia de ya Ojan and de mo se unim se 2 petroleum. It mo catch say Bawumia nim meboa. Na na time Bawumia ejina Ghana e ka kire say Russia Ukraine war no e na sebio amanyoma atapansam na sa nyansa no onya no wen enya cabinet ya no correlate say Russia Ukraine war e na say Ghana economy no. Bawumia in power has been blaming people, he has been blaming others. Bawumia has never taken blame for anything. Mahmoud Bawumia ne yere Samira Bawumia, they have never taken blame in this government, in this party. The biggest problem with Bawumia is say he still sees himself so nimnyansa chen obi a party dim. Onne ne yire no na adwene no just a party ne dia because he is being protected by Ekufuado, Freddie Blay, and Gabimo because they think they have stolen enough. He sees everyone in the party say obi Jimmy because this is a presidential candidate in the history of our republic. We're recording the lowest results when it comes to presidential elections. And this guy is standing there blaming his boss. This guy, he needs to ask himself, what wasn't so attractive? He is not assessing himself as a politician. He is not assessing himself, what is making me not attractive? He has ignored that. He wants us to believe, say, Ekufuado with Jimmy, NPP for Jimmy, mene me yire Samira de, ya correct into Montomaye. And sometimes you ask yourself, is this guy serious in life? Does he really think, say, we have short memories to the point, say, Yankaidi or Ghana, I can play Bawumia's videos 50 in a minute. I can play Bawumia's videos 50 in a minute. The lies are, they have implanted in the heads of Ghanaians. I try with the 2 Ghana for team. It took us 80 years to wash all those lies from the heads of Ghanaians. And you are back again in less than 4 months. And you are making us look like, say, NPP for Jimmy. Omo munim nyansani omo eni omo wie sika no Oforiata Michael Kwei Ekufuado ene omo ano mo supporto sa nkwasiade no into obi oka hu bi Jimmy. And na me yama Kennedy Agyapong. Because I can tell you on authority, Kennedy will never be the flag bearer of the NPP. They will cheat him. The things I know in the NPP, 99% of NPP followers, they don't know. Michael Kwei report, about 3 months ago, they gave it to Bawumia. They gave it to him and his team to analyze it because they wanted Bawumia to pick the part. And it's was study. The tour is basically about Bawumia speaking on the report. And I won't study, every single statement he's made is about the report. It is not about what really happened that Emomu lose elections, Because in the report, he wants to first clean himself. Clean on before. Because our idea be said, they can fight for themselves. Metima catch on authority. From a reliable source from Michael Kwei, Mahamudu Bawumia will be your flag bearer. It does not matter what Kennedy Agyapong will do. That register, whether they change it or they don't change it, Kennedy, I feel bad for him. In fact, right now, I'm in Tokobia because Sikana me pagin or anase. So many Kennedy you cool. I feel bad for Kennedy. He looks frail. He doesn't look well. His money is done. He's just intimidating them. He will never, as far as Bawumia is in the picture, Nana Akufo-Addo, Mike Okwe, the NPP leadership will never make Kennedy Agyapong the flag bearer. Because one, they've told themselves that Kennedy is not a presidential material. You cannot sell Kennedy beyond the NPP. But with Bawumia, they can lie about Bawumia. That is what they are doing. And they know for a fact. Anytime I say NPP for, now I say, Kennedy, you are wasting money. They have decided your fate in the party. There's nothing you can do. Bawumia will rig the primaries. And you see, I will come and give you the primaries numbers before they go to the primaries. Mahmoud Bawumia, he knows he will be the flag bearer. His biggest problem is that he knows he cannot win the general elections. So the agenda is that what they are going to do after primaries, leadership and they put Bawumia's people there. The same coup they will make sure say after the primaries, leadership and then they will start the coup because they know Bawumia has to come 2032. And we are MPP, no one is smart now. The party. When I pick a phone and I talk to Samia Uku, when I talk to these boys, they know where the party is headed. They know party negu. They know that you people are foolish. They are playing with you people. Kennedy Betuma Kosoro Abesi form. Bawumia will win the primaries. Ana namo one test Bawumia kase General Secretary Nikachi say out of Bawumia's good attitude or something, he decided to invite the other candidates to join him on the tour. So it means from the beginning, no, they were not considering Kennedy Agyapong and the rest to be part of this tour. But out of courtesy, because they don't want a lot of the people down there to get agitated, that's why they call Kennedy to be part of it. Can't you see this whole thing? Kennedy is like a dog following them. They have already put things in order. For a general secretary to tell you, say, Bawumia kuma pantina of invite Omo Makano. Is it the party that is organizing this tour or Bawumia organizing the tour? Tell me. It means the tour was organized or is being organized by Bawumia and Akufo-Addo. And that they see Kennedy as a lapdog. They won't say akwaraji me. Me say, Mubetuma Rinchine. Kennedy, me catch you. I like you. You are trying your best to be a nice man, but it is not there. You were not born like that. You can't even put 2 or 3 words together to make sense. You all see, say, you are forcing. They are coaching you, but naturally, you cannot be refined. You have done everything possible to look like you are presidential. Let somebody just tickle you a little bit. You will explode. We know you are not that material. Bawumia is a liar and you are temperamental. So there is no way you can be president. And it's not me saying it. These people have met. They didn't obey. Gidi gidi no obey. Hey, no bay, but they control the party. And I'm telling you, anything I'm saying, Obeka say, you want the NPP to bring back Afoku because you know that the current leadership, Omni will side. Who Kennedy Agyapong? We were in this country. And I know Kennedy, you said this. Grant amnesty to Alan Afoku. Kennedy Agyapong catch the NPP for they say, Mama Alan mbra back, Mama Afoko mbra back. He knows that the current leadership, Council of they are not on his side. Now Kennedy is also trying to see if he can build a force from within. He can't get it. This is the same Kennedy Agyapong. Or catch the NPP for say, prosecute Afoko, Agyapong or NPP will collapse. And then Kennedy can't ask him way. 2015. 2015, Kennedy Agyapong ka say Afoko yemfa nko jail ni jail no. Kennedy Agyapong ka say yen jail Kennedy Agyapong. Kennedy Agyapong ka say so mo jail Afoko, no mo jail Kennedy Agyapong a party ni begu. Kennedy Agyapong. And 2025, Kennedy Agyapong said yen bring back Afoko. The people yan pa mo party ni begu no. And the Kennedy say yen san for mo bra. You know why? Because he knows the top there Bawumia. He is trying to build alliance, it's not going to work because Kennedy is not consistent. Kennedy Agyapong is a flip-flopper. Kennedy Agyapong, the party itself knows he's not mentally strong to be able to stand the pressure of Obitisa Kevin Taylor. No, Kennedy cannot. And they know Bawumia is a liar. And they know the monies they stole. Bawumia bet to me at least a protected. That is why they are all following Bawumia. And it is not like they want to, they know what they have done. Ken Oforiatta, as I speak to you, Ken Oforiatta on DC, Washington DC. He wants a way to find some people to beg for him. Ken Oforiatta and Washington DC. He's in Washington DC. But on some Braga or somebody on an DC, I'm moving on. Until let me tell you, yeah, I could do point to be a so boy in Jai's thank you to party to be blasted. Wouldn't I crow? So NPP are very smarter. So I'm quite a demonstration almost on Bekono. Or some releases statement in 10 times say because of the demonstration we want to go, we want the thank you turn, we want to put a hold on it and take care of the demonstration and a few things. Sir, thank you to of course for another 2 weeks. Party ebe blasted. Obi be wo obi se kind. This is Kennedy Agyapong. The same thank you to Munte Kennedy Agyapong.
Media, I'm telling you the truth. Obi on your Berman Chobia. But party any baby to make cassette is almost a member. Woman, your member. A back contribution, see a music, a woman to me, and they talk as if the whole world is for them. It's not for them. And yet, a Korea, like some of them cannot even speak the way they speak. Because Bam Fia Kura Ufari. If you were talk as Maromo, I'm baron by too long. You see, your Panokura, Momianka, I will not respect you. But men respond to anybody, and yes, I can't showdown. Anybody akuma wasuru ekasa yepe memo party no yankomo ye ma minisa woska minsire sika mo here for promise mu dibi kasa kokugudro so ye sika for please who born dog number to ya talk anyhow who born dog number to ya talk anyhow kukuru
party me say I am telling them they need to put a stop to this tour now, and I am instructing the NPP because I speak to the NPP the top than anybody else. I am instructing them in the next 72 hours they need to put a stop to this. By the end of the week, this tour must end. They need to put a notice out that they want to go do demonstration and that when they are done with the demonstration, they'll come back and continue. They need to do some serious review of this tour. I am telling them this is a demand and I am warning them. I am actually demanding they put a stop to this tour because I control your party. I will determine pathway in the next 42 years who leads the party. I am demanding that the leadership of the party, by the end of the week, this tour Bawumia has organized, it needs to end. Now, Munte Kennedy be make us
Media, I'm telling you the truth. Obia on your Berman Chobia. But party any baby to make cassette is almost a member. Woman, your member. A back contribution, see a music, a woman to me, and they talk as if the whole world is for them. It's not for them. And yet, a Korea, like some of them cannot even speak the way they speak. Because Bam Fia Kura Ufari. If you were talk as Maromo, I'm baron by too long. You see, your Panokura, Momianka, I will not respect you. But men respond to anybody, and yes, I can't showdown. Anybody akuma wasuru ekasa yepe memo party no yankomo ye ma minisa woska minsire sika mo here for promise mu dibi kasa kokugudro so ye sika for Please. Who born dog? Number to me a talk anyhow. Who born dog? Number to me a talk anyhow. Kukuru. Kukuru. Kukuru.
Kennedy kasa wie no. Me say, oh bomb na sanko fo e come akwa nkoma nkomukunu no. Sa baas no team no the bomb betum. Sanko fo e omo ye dangerous. Kennedy wie no. And Abronye so beje Mike. Me see one bomb na the akwa nkroma no. Sanko fo e omo te the same baas no one day tie beti didim. See it krom ha. Eye meme nkofo na monko tie Abronye. Kennedy wie no say Kennedy for Mike no mame. Me say so the nkusiegu a bomb a dime ba kumua. Ugurema na hu se say wo nkusifuo. What is happening? It is called inkusifuo. It is called the rat farm. Wet rat farm. Inkusifuo na hu no. So the nkusiegu bomb odomugu basket mu ana a dime ba kuna uguruma. Your friend inkusifuo. What you are seeing is a rat farm. Kennedy we no se Abronye say, "Fama me, na me so me kama adwene party na egu awie."
Arrogance. And the dear Duru Babia Eren. Yadri. Raging ha. Mo sami 2 me 9 quite single constituency. I ko catchro be say. Yantua ba my candidate. Remove we. Mo amena motina damu kuradi. Mo sami flow be say to aba my particular candidate. But the binum de me din call ye campaign we no. Omo wie ye no ma konkran. Abronye no na Agyapong a campaign ayere. Ba no kura ne se omo ba mo ho campaign omo se Abronye ne so.
Oh, chen. It's Abronye ne kasa first. Because na odidi Kennedy atem. Abronye din kan kasa first. And na o ka che Kennedy say, "Wona won ko fo nkwasiafo no kwetena nkran se me te bono ha. Bono aponche. Ma je party na boso na me ye campaign ama ba omia." Satan na Kennedy nkasa ye. Intina ne ho nya enstaten wo so ye. O se Kennedy ne ho the buffo na ho so ain say the buffo pan the tiko na flat more. Kennedy say the buffo a ozo kutama kan na ho so kakra ain na ne tiko na aye flat more say basa na venom na begu ha. Say Kennedy we cobra ain Kennedy no the buffo a na ne tiko na aye flat more na venom no abegu ha and the to pure enti Abronye din kan je Mike eno kai ya na ajuso be di Kennedy atam. Say I compare ba omi antidian mo na nkwasiafo mo kotena nkran say me mete bono ha me ma jisika na me ye campaign ama ba omia ejimi fo na mabetom wo ha na Kennedy to no ne nsa no body papa because 180 million to ya nti Abronye de di nkan ba ya na Kennedy responded. This is what Abronye said before Kennedy responded.
Arrogance. And the dear Duru Babia Eren. Yadri. Raging ha. Mo sami 2 me 9 quite single constituency. I ko catchro be say. Yantua ba my candidate. Remove we. Mo amena motina damu kuradi. Mo sami flow be say to aba my particular candidate. But the binum de me din call ye campaign wie ye no. Omo wie ye no ma konkran. Abronye no na Agyapong a campaign ayere. Ba no kura ne say omo ba mo ho campaign omo say Abronye na soma mo. Omo say Abronye na soma say ye me ye campaign ko meboa. Eyese mo di ho adanse ye say ma miema no amfro obia. Sa nkrofo no so omo ye sa de me din ba ayere. Etena omo beba mo ho. But this time no, omaye mami buafu. Na mom mo obi nkodi obi atem. Ukodi do obi atem wie. Na so wie a, wo se yankoye a unity. I mean say unity no. Eye ayi mo ana mo kreti. Professor Makwe report. O se ye kwa abato a ensema ye ka no. Eno na na no andisi fo ye re. Eyusutie. Na mom wo ya propaganda no obi be yi ano dia. Entena social media say who didn't panatem now yeah wabakasa memfa wadamfo. Media, I'm telling you the truth. Obia onye beman chobia. But party nti eni baby to make kasa to say omo member. Omo nye member. A bad contribution si yen sika omo to me bomu kosesere. And they talk as if the whole world is for them. It's not for them. And yet like some of them cannot even speak the way they speak. Because bam fie kura wo fari ebi wo yato cars ma wo mo am baron be too long. You see your panokura mom yanka I will not respect you but may respond to anybody. And yes, I can show down. Anybody akuma wasuru ekasa yepe memo party no yankomo ye ma. Minisa wo sika minsire sika. Mo here for promise bu dibi kasa kukudro so. Ye sika for. Please. Who born dog? Number 2 yakoku anyhow.
Technology. We get technology again. Tetena ankoma betena news so and 6 p.m. news ni peace and NPP for ekoye omo thank you to na me say na de ensem NPP for ye in kabom some Dr. Baumia kasaye and honorable Kennedy Agyapong so kasaye NPP yesia de omo gina na so ye in kabom kase aba ebinie nende omko pie mu no Abronye osa ponche ono so akasa emene party no obia yi ni yam ade a sebio na ema ne di nwinwi nyina omo ye firi ho party no asa gina ne na so ma NPP say afi a edi enima ba ye beto 2028 aba no ombeje fi NDC nsem na ye tie de ekode a na yes MPP regina ne na so pa sans na nka peace baba ka che but because of technology and then they ebogu wasum wana utie wasum technology anke ni wobia akoda diet wait ankoma betno ekua de ande anya meche eye reporter Kwame Boachi oni eye honorable Kennedy Agyapong ene eye Dr. Baumia omo wo eye fra pampam mu omo na etse Kwame otimenka in o te Kwame nyina ye Kwame nyina mo sanfa ne so Kwame asaba bi Kwame esi awu nyina hen oso ye nyina bomfa bomfa ko tiketwa ho ne nyina oso ye mfa na mo free na ba oso oni afra nyamere so se ye duru bomfa ko tiketwa ho ne wo na eye Dr. Baumia ene eye Kennedy Agyapong we hwe odo a o ma kire sata technology ani o technology ebi ni o eno mo kika nkwasi asan ne titi mu ne download ya ti radio ho ye ma me no ma bre o titi trotrum ena speaker kakraka bodeko ena o hye seat na ase ena ye bogum no mo dadaye aye na make me say ende de pie e wo bomfa ko tiketwa ha de enya de ketwa me say ye beduru ha nipa bebre twahia enso nipa 7 penetiwo nipa twahia Dr. Baumia Basi ebo abe papa amanfo mpene no Kennedy Agyapong yi ni timi nipa bose ndi NPP fo abasa o mo party o mesiesie ni ye sie ni anko bi and because of technology
arrogance and the dear duru babi a yeduri raging ha mo some two me 9 ko single constituency akọ kachiro obi say yento aba ma candidate bi mu wuye mo amene mo tena da mo kura di mo some fro obi say to aba ma particular candidate but the binum de me din call ye campaign wie ye no omo wie ye no ma konkran Abronye no na Agyapong campaign ayere ba no kura ne say omo ba mo ho campaign omo say Abronye na soma mo omo say Abronye na soma say ye meye campaign ko meboa yesa mo di ho adanse ye say ma miema no amfro obi a sa nkrofo no so omo ye sa di medin ba ye ro etena omo beba mo ho but this time no omo ye ma me buafu na mom mo obi nkodi obi atem ukodi do obi atem wie na so wie a wo se yankoye a unity I mean say unity no eye ayi mo ana mo kreti Professor Makwe report or say ye kwa abato a ensema ye ka no eno na no andisi fo ye re eyusutie na mom wo ya propaganda no obi be yi ano dia entna social media say who didn't panatem na wi a wa bakasa memfa wadamfo
media. I'm telling you the truth. Obi anye beman chobia but party nti enipa bi tumi kasa te se omo member a back contributions here in Zika, and they talk as if the whole world is for them. It's not for them. And yet, like some of them cannot even speak the way they speak. Because Bam Fia Kura Ufadi. If you are talking now, I'm barren by too long. You see, your Panokura, Mumianka, I will not respect you. But may respond to anybody, and yes, I can show down. enipa bi akoma wosoro ekasa ye pe memo party no dia nkomo ye ma minisa wo sika minsire sika mo hiafo promotion mu dibi kasa kokugudro so ye ne sika fo please who born dog
thank you tell who born dog thank you is who born dog thank you technology there I'm back in na gewu na omo chairman hu nanim aso te kuraba so party the chairman nim general secretary so Pentium 2 the memory near Pentium 2 okasa se jimi party ni ho makachem se party ni ho nti ana mo amuti Facebook ye yele jo mahama kokun and say mo ye na ma ye den ayedai ni ayedai ni enyina ye jai dia be di bochi me say ya ntum nka imagine ye gina ye na iso line ni twetwesi enti ne ye kire mu no ye nipa yima ono na edi ye campaign nechi auditor nechi omakopie ye bonfa kotiketwa an bonfa kotiketwa ho no mo na osaba ahoma ne so be free bi na ensam foforo aba no matese so osaba kwabna na wagina ye osia ya gina ye ene boyemu na line nso da ngina so ene esi de bonfa kotiketwa ne ye wo na me se ende ensama esi akono efese yanko ho yenim omungwa na eka kire ye ye ne tie ntwa biase yati a new town yani yanko yi bonfa kotiketwa omo no makọ ho no mo chire ba kire ye abena me se ye kase odo a ene de me hu bi da reporter no kwa me obidwom waje 200 ai sole ehede to ode amagas bi wo bonfa kotiketwa o se omo ntwan no oba o ma report paper ketwa bi kuta no na ye hwema omo ba ye no bon chairman baabi Abronye baabi kede Agyapong baabi na Dr. Mahamudu Baumia enso baabi party ne mu abope be se omo beduru ye no nipa boje omo so kohwe park bi so obi ani ho ba yanko bi bonfa kotiketwa yanko bi technology a technology na dia beduru ha timi omo jimi omo ho into omo jimi omo ho saa na afei Agyapong Mr. Englishman otebrofo chan eku krono mu brofo. I know what you're talking about. Agyapong say NPP at risk of imploding over thank you tour. Or say obetuma cases so. Or say thank you zero. Na obia will be sika me na party na blast. Agyapong Englishman has spoken English. And the Englishman is saying that the NPP is at risk of imploding on Cabrofo so mo gua PZ for betiasie PZ for muti imploding ase montiasie oto na Kevin Taylor no okwasia Dr. Tommy Droma wa untumi kenkan de wo ho na wonom nje wonkwa oto odi matam mo PZ for ni bi mo agimi mo lucky say mampon hine wuntina nanse mabrebre so kakra nana piao isia ende menana otumfo otwedwadwo ntina nde magum amamo no na mumu bi na mugu PZ agimi fo utamedro kwa untumi kenkan de wo ho udum poison ewu udi mi matem unim imploding unim ade friend imploding wa wo sekan kan jo Kevin Taylor so wo twa mama chirechirim Agyapong your party ni fa phone na frɛ no so was now branch executive or say NPP at risk of imploding over thank you tour what you say why your boxes move fin no ready we kan kwase asema kire Kevin Taylor on tia se mam sister we dum you get implode na et se sebio wadi beans na wawie kurukuru eguso na sebio wasanu red atoso na wankasa ya fro se bedi de enkatenkwan a ya amben na wanom anu eguso fufuo ka ho na wadi abunoburu nkwan na wuwie ye no onum koka atoso a wote ho it will implode ebe blast bo wiyem and your friend imploding ebe di boom wo wiyem Agyapong say party no thank you who born dog tolo someone jan sisi a ebeji boom ewo mu yem afere pizza for matias here technology abwache